Hey guys, welcome to our Metasploitable hacking series. In this video, I'll be covering how to exploit the SSH vulnerability in Metasploitable. Let's dive in. First thing first, go to the Metasploitable machine and get the IP address. In my case is 10.00.120. Let's see if that's work. Yeah. Let's nmap that. Give the IP address. I'll use the A command. We run some nmap on the IP address, on the target IP address, and we give it -A. This is an aggressive mode, so we can check always by going to nmap -help. -A basically, this is what it does. Enable the OS detection, version detection, script scanning. So this is the result we got, the output. So this is typically the services are running. So we can see FTP with its version, SSH. I believe where is Telnet? Okay. There's Telnet 23 port. So it exposes all the ports are open. So let's fire up the MSF console. All we have to do is search for SSH login. I'll be using this one. So use 0 and show options. Set our host. Give it the IP address of the target machine. 10.0.0. Well, we should specify our word list, password word list. So we'll set pass file. I have it home. Ollie, brute force, password, txt. We have to set the user file. Set user file. So this is the path where I have my my user text.txt. We will be running some random usernames from a list that's named user.txt and trying to match the correct password from this file, password.txt. Okay. I think we all set up. So now just run. So the session was created, session 1. So all we have to do is session I and give the number of the session. So now if we just type ID, so we are in SF admin, who am I? Yeah, we're in. If config, this is the target IP address. Let's see what we can do here. It's always a good idea to type help. So this is command that we can run. Guys, if you like the video, subscribe, and hit the bottom like and wait for other videos.